Do you know how big are the biggest structures in the world? I just asked ChatGPT. So first is New Century Global Center, which is in China. So it is massive, massive building. It is 18.9 million square feet. Okay, we can take another example like Dubai International Airport, Terminal 3, which is 18.4 million square feet. And third is we can see the clock tower in Saudi Arabia, Makkah. So that is also around 17 million square feet. Now you will be wondered why I am asking you, because these structures are being maintained 24 by 7 without any problem, without any incidents. Even for their lifetime, they are being used since inception or since their first day. So the question is that how? Okay, we'll see how these structures are being maintained 24 by 7 without any problem. Okay, come. So maintaining these massive structures is not an easy job. We must need some system behind it, right? And that system is called building management system. Today we'll see what exactly is the building management system. Okay, before going into the details of building management system, we'll just have a look how many buildings are there in world. Okay, so in USA itself is 6 million commercial buildings and 97 billion plus square feet. See, 6 million commercial buildings are there in USA. In same way, in China, 800 million buildings are there. 800 million buildings. It's a very big number, right? Then in India, my country, around 2 million buildings. But every country is developing. In China, every day, or in the world, you can say, millions of buildings or structures are being built. Now, there is a big scope, right? You got my point. There is a big scope to maintain these buildings, to design these buildings, okay, to know about this building management system. So there is a big scope for either for the business or for the job. So let's go into details of building management system. So what is building management system? Okay, so first is HVAC system, which is there in the building management system. So this acronym stands for heating, ventilation and air conditioning, HVAC. So wherever there is a very less temperature or in minus degree, 0 degree, sub-zero degree temperatures, like very cold regions, there we need heating. Okay, that is also part of building management system. Then there are hot regions like Saudi Arabia, Dubai, or even in India, many parts are hot. So during summer days, right? So during that time, we need to have air conditioning or cooling. We should cool the room. Now, this room is cooled by an air conditioner. So it's the same way, entire building we should keep cool. So we should keep the offices at the optimum temperature or comfortable temperature, we can say. So for our comfort, this HVAC system is built. So to manage that system, that is the main part of building management system. Okay. Now second is light control system. After air conditioning, what is there? Lighting. So that lighting should also be controlled remotely. Nowadays, we are in a 21st century. So there are so many technologies are being used in this building management system. We'll go into details. So just try to understand what is building management system. So first is HVAC, then lighting management system or light control or efficiency, then fire and safety. In case of fire, everybody should know, like we have seen 18 million square feet, such a big structures, and how many people that can house. So those structures can house even 100,000 people, like a small town, right? So these 100,000 people should be secure or feel safe. If there is any fire, this building management system should alert them and evacuate the building, right? That is main function of fire safety and emergency system, fire alarm system, fire fighting system. Now, this is also part of building management system. Okay. Then security and access control. So there are intruders who can intrude inside our house. Okay, they can steal our stuff. They can even harm us. So to avoid that, or to be safe from them, what we have access control system. Will not allow them to enter in the building. So this system is entirely electronic system. Okay, CCTV cameras are there, surveillance, they are always watching, the building is always watching us, finding people are sitting in the room or surveillance room and finding if there are any suspicious activities, though we have granted the access to person, but if there are any suspicious activities are there. Okay, so people are watching us in all the buildings. By the way, everywhere there is written, you might have seen, you are under surveillance. Okay, so this is also part of building management system. So there are two systems. One is camera or CCTV system, closed circuit television. CCTV means, okay, closed circuit television. And second is, what do you mean by closed circuit television? It is not being broadcasted outside. Television, in old days, television is like entire country is watching one channel, so those are entire world, you can just uh, switch on the channel and watch the things. But this system, this camera is not being broadcasted outside, so it is closed circuit. That is why it is called CCTV. Okay, then access control. So whenever you go in any building, or let's say you are an employee of a building, first thing you should have a badge, or that is called access card badge. So you need to swap it. Nowadays, even facial recognition is being installed, okay, being implemented. This is new technology. So you need to first give your face ID to that system, then it will recognize you. So that is more, maybe little bit expensive or more robust system. Okay, so these are systems where we control the access from the intruders, we are safe. Okay, next is what? Elevators and other critical systems. Now these are huge towers, okay, or tallest towers in the building. Dubai, okay, Burj Khalifa, that is tallest tower in the world. Now, maintaining those elevators, which are vertical transport we are talking about, those are taking you within minutes or seconds from ground floor to maybe 100 floor. Okay, in 100 seconds, 100 floor, maybe less than that. Now, vertical transport is evolved. Okay, lift system, and that is very fast, high speed elevators it is called. So those elevator should be kept ready for our service all the time. So that is being monitored and managed or maintained by building management system. Okay, so these are the things. So you might not have seen like elevators are down for a longer time, CCTV is down, access control is down, air conditioning is not there in the office or building. So who is managing all these things? These all things are being managed by building management system. Why BMS is more important than ever? You will ask me why. Okay, first is rising energy cost. Okay, business cannot afford rising energy cost. If see how cost goes up, if there is scarcity of anything, then its cost goes up because demand is high. In the same way, there is kind of a scarcity of energy in the world because everybody wants energy, everybody wants to develop. So rising energy cost, that is why building management system is very important. 30 to 40% energy cost it is saving, it saves for us. Now environmental regulations, government is forcing us to save energy. So next point is smart city initiatives. Okay, many countries like US, China, India and other countries are investing billions of dollars to make smart countries. You need smart people around you, right? The same way these guys are creating smart cities. Okay, these cities will maintain its energy, okay, its waste, its cleanliness, the pollution. So all these things, okay, are being kind of registered or recorded, and their analysis is being done. Then they take decision how we can change the things, how we can reduce the pollution level, how we can manage the wastage in better way. So all these things is part of smart city. So every country is promoting smart city infrastructure and investing billions of dollars. So this is our opportunity. That is why I'm telling you. If you know more about this building management system, either you go into business, you can go into business, or you can work for other companies. Big companies are there which are only doing these things, managing the buildings for their clients. So okay, this is all about building management system. Don't worry, we'll go into nitty-gritties. We'll see each and everything in detail for each topic: HVAC, CCTV, access control, or surveillance. So all the things I will take you into details so that you are market ready. Okay, thank you.